Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now select Gestures and tap on One-Handed Mode. If you are using Gestures navigation, tap on this switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode. Make sure that Pull Screen into Reach option is on, and then swipe from the button of your screen. So when I do that, as you can see, One-Handed Mode is on. If you wish to go back, swipe up or click on this dark area. In order to disable One-Handed Mode completely, select the same now blue switcher next to it. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, I need to change mine to show you. This option will be disabled. In order to use One-Handed Mode with Tricky's navigation, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to One-Handed Mode shortcut. Then hit OK in the pop-up. Hold your shortcut and place it wherever you wish to. Then to use One-Handed Mode, click on this shortcut on your screen. In order to go back, tap on the same one or click on this area as well. To disable One-Handed Mode completely, select the same now blue switcher next to One-Handed Mode shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!